Guys, I have a bad news and a funny news, bro. The bad news that I got banned, and the funny news is, look what the bro. I can't even tell it, bro. Bro, I got banned for saying this. I can make new one, bro. What the fuck? Like, bro, it's sexual content, bro. Oh my god, bro. That's and offensive sexual content accept BPAS. Oh hell no, this Roblox was broken as fuck, bro. I'ma just eat later. I'ma eat, bro. Sexual content. What the fuck happening on fucking Roblox, bro? Sexual content. Ugh, fine. I'ma eat, bro. I'm gonna eat, bro. Bro, this is true. My mom gonna beat my ass if I don't eat, bro. Yeah, that's true, bro. And I was playing a Muscle Legend. So I have a glitch pet that have 24.67k Dora ability. And bro, what the fuck, man? Roblox was broken as fuck, bro. Fuck. One day, bro. Gonna be gone one day. Stupid as fuck.